Bridge Course, Day 6, Science, Standard 9th.
Hello students, as you all know, in your last year science part, I think so there is a second chapter, diseases and health. In that chapter we studied various diseases and how does it occur and how can we prevent them.
When we say that we are healthy, we say we are healthy when we are healthy physically, mentally, sociologically, and when we say we are not healthy, we say some disease has attacked our body and we are ill due to various factors. So, children, in this chapter you studied various diseases and how they can be prevented. So, children, we all know we all are facing the huge pandemic. This is called as COVID-19, in which we all know that we all are in a lot of tension due to this COVID-19 virus. Children, now in this chapter we are going to see various diseases and their preventions.
So now in this bridge course they have just told us that we have to take an activity on these diseases and health. So let us proceed with this activity. Let us see what we are going to study in this activity. This is the chart which indicate that
Types of diseases. They are divided into two parts according to duration and according to reason. According to duration are chronic disease and acute disease, whereas according to reason there are two types again. It is hereditary disease or acquired disease. Acquired disease is again further subdivided into two parts. It is infectious disease and non-infectious disease. Infectious disease are those disease which are caused by infection, as we all are facing corona nowadays. We all know it is spread from one person to another person. That is, another example is common cold, flu, dengue. Whereas non-infectious disease are those disease which are not spread through one person to another person. Example are diabetes, heart attack or heart disease, and so on. Here is the chart of infectious disease. First one is tuberculosis. Pathogen which spread it is Mycobacterium tuberculei. Mode of infection is spitting by patient through air, prolonged contact with and शेअरिंग ऑफ मटेरियल ऑफ पेशंट. कुठल्याही पेशंटचं ज्याला TB झालेला आहे अशा व्यक्तीने जर हवेमध्ये थुंकलं तर त्याच्या थुंकीचे जे छोटे छोटे मायन्यूट पार्टिकल्स आहेत त्यामुळे ही हवेमधून ह्याचा इन्फेक्शन होत असतं आणि अशा व्यक्तीचे कपडे किंवा जास्त कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये ह्या अशा माणसाच्या आलो आपण तर आपल्याला ट्युबरक्युलोसिस होऊ शकतो. सिम्पटम्स ऑफ ट्युबरक्युलोसिस. क्रोनिक कफ, खूप जास्त वेळ चालणारा खोकला. ब्लडी स्पिटिंग, ज्याच्या थुंकीमधून रक्त पडतं आहे. इमॅसिएशन, डिफिकल्ट इन ब्रीथिंग, अशा व्यक्तीला श्वास घ्यायला त्रास होतो. अँड प्रिव्हेन्शन. हाऊ कॅन वी प्रिव्हेंट ट्युबरक्युलोसिस? इट इज BCG वॅक्सिन. आपल्या लहान मुलांना जे BCGचं वॅक्सिन देतो दॅट इज फॉर प्रिव्हेंटिंग TB, दॅट इज ट्युबरक्युलोसिस. आयसोलेशन ऑफ पेशंट, रेग्युलर मेडिटेशन लाईक डॉट्स. डॉट्सच्या गोळ्या गव्हर्मेंट सेंटरमध्ये मिळतात ज्या अगदी फ्री असतात. 6 महिने रेग्युलर घ्यायचे असतात एकाही दिवसाचा खाडा न करता. जर अशा गोळ्या रेग्युलर घेतल्या, अशा व्यक्तीला आयसोलेट केलं तर ह्याचा स्प्रेड आणि पेशंट बराई होण्याची शक्यता जास्त असते. हेपेटायटिस. हेपेटायटिस म्हणजे जॉन्डिस, कावीळ. यामध्ये हेपेटायटिस व्हायरस A, B, C, D, E हे आहेत. ज्याच्यामुळे हेपेटायटिस बी होतो. मोड ऑफ इन्फेक्शन, इट इज डन बाय कॉन्टॅमिनेटेड वॉटर, शेअरिंग ऑफ निडल्स, ब्लड ट्रान्सफ्युजन, ह्यामुळे आपल्याला हेपेटायटिस बी होऊ शकतो. सिम्पटम्स आर एन्झोरिझिया, येलो युरिन, जनरल वीकनेस, नॉशिया, वॉमिटिंग, ग्रे टूल्स आणि या हे सिम्पटम्स जर दिसले तर डेफिनेटली द पर्सन इज हॅविंग जॉन्डिस. अँड प्रिव्हेन्शन, ड्रिंकिंग बॉइल्ड वॉटर, प्रॉपर क्लिनिंग ऑफ हँड्स, हे 2 गोष्टी जर केल्या तर आपण जॉन्डिसला बऱ्यापैकी लांब ठेवू शकतो. डिसेंट्री, हिअर इट इज लूज मोशन. बॅक्टेरिया, इट इज डन बाय पॅथोजेन्स कोण आहेत तर बॅक्टेरिया, व्हायरस, शिगेला, बॅसिलाय, एंटअमेबा, हिस्टोलिटिका. मोड ऑफ इन्फेक्शन, it is contaminated food and water. Symptoms, watery stool, pain in abdomen. And how can we prevent it? By drinking of boiled water, proper storage of food, ORS consumption. Cholera, Vibrio cholerae, that is bacterium. This is the pathogen through which it is spread. Mode of infection is contaminated food and water. Symptoms, vomiting, severe diarrhea, cramp in legs, म्हणजे पायाला गोळे येतात किंवा पोट दुखतं आहे आणि लूज मोशन्स होत आहेत आणि वॉमिटिंग होत आहे, तर हे सगळं जर होत असेल तर इट इज कॉलेरा. फॉलोइंग प्रिव्हेन्शन्स आर prevention and treatment. How can we prevent this cholera? It is following hygienic practice, avoiding open place food, drinking boiled water, vaccination against cholera. If you are vaccinated against cholera, you will definitely not get cholera. Typhoid, Salmonella typhi, it is bacterium. This is the pathogen through which this typhoid is spread. Mode of infection is contaminated food and water. What are the symptoms of typhoid? It is anorexia, headache, rash on abdomen, dysentery, fever up to 140 degree Fahrenheit. It is a huge temperature. How can we prevent this typhoid? Drinking clean water, vaccination, proper disposal of sewage can keep us away from typhoid like diseases. This was all about infectious disease, but there are some other diseases which are present nowadays. Diseases like dengue. It is spread through mosquito. Which mosquito? It is Aedes aegypti. This disease is caused by Den1-2 virus belonging to the type Flavivirus. Here are symptoms of dengue. Acute fever and headache, vomiting, pain in eyes socket is very prominent symptom. Decrease in platelet count and may lead to internal hemorrhage. Swine flu. Infection for swine flu occurs through pigs and human. Viruses of swine flu are spread through sweat of infectious person. It spread through secretion of nose, throat and saliva. What are the symptoms of swine flu? It is difficulty in breathing and sore throat, body pain. For diagnosis of swine flu, liquid from throat of patient is sent to in lab. Diagnostic facilities are available in National Institute of Virology, that is NIV, Pune, and National Institute of Communicable Diseases, that is NICD, Delhi. Next, very serious and well-known disease, it is AIDS, that is Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. This disease is caused by HIV virus. In this disease, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakness of natural immunity. Diagnosis of that is AIDS, cannot be confirmed without test in medical lab. ELISA test is used for its proper diagnosis. Symptoms of AIDS are person specific. AIDS does not occur due to touching and sharing the food with HIV infected person or by nursing with HIV infected patient. Our behavior with HIV infected person must be normal. Next disease is rabies. This is viral disease. It occurs due to bite of infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. Virus enters brain via nervous system. Hydrophobia is one of the important symptoms of this disease. In this disease, the victim shows extreme fear for water. Rabies is fatal disease. However, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before onset of symptom. Symptoms start to appear within 90 to 175 days of dog bite. Just now we finished infectious disease. Now let us go to non-infectious disease. Cancer. It is uncontrolled and abnormal cells grow in is called cancer. Growth or lump of cancerous cell is called as malignant tumor. Cancer can occur in various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, and tissues like blood. That's why we say blood cancer. What is the reason behind this cancer? It is consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content fruit and leafy vegetable in food, excess consumption of junk food, that is pizza and burger, are some of the many possible reasons. Heredity may also be a reason. Symptoms. What are the symptoms of cancer? Chronic cough, difficulty in swelling, incurable scar and inflammation, lumps in breast, unexplained weight loss. Diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas control the level of sugar, glucose in the blood. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. Symptoms which cannot be ignored for diabetes. It is frequently urination at night, increased obesity or weight loss. Reason for diabetes: heredity, obesity, lack of physical exercise and mental stress. Heart disease. Efficiency of heart decreases due to decrease in blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, heart has to perform many work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has a heart attack, immediately consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. What are the reasons for heart attack? Smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, anxiety. Children, you can collect videos from internet about these diseases and have some extra knowledge for all these diseases. Let us solve this example. Write the names of diseases found in your area during monsoon. Second of question 1. Write down means by which infection disease are spread. Infectious disease are spread through which means you are supposed to write this answer here. Third question. Find out the causes, symptoms and remedies of chickenpox based on internet. आपल्याला इंटरनेटवरून ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टींचे कॉजेस, सिम्पटम अँड रेमेडीज शोधायचे आहेत. कुठला आजार? चिकनपॉक्स. सो गेट सेट गो, फाइंड आउट ऑन इंटरनेट अँड ट्राय टू फाइंड युअर आन्सर देर. ऑब्झर्व दिस पिक्चर केअरफुली अँड टेल where do you find water stored objects in this picture and what are the dangers. Look at this picture carefully and try to answer where the water is stored and how is it dangerous for us, and write the answer in your own words.